Hello everyone and welcome to the crypto session brief. We're on Tuesday the 20th of September 2022. As markets anticipate the FOMC decision tomorrow, just want to highlight a couple of things, particularly on Bitcoin and something that I would be looking to do and build within my systems trading right about now, and that's the pin bar on the daily time frame which Bitcoin printed yesterday. Now in our X builder, you can see here we've got the ability to automate that pin bar. So then, if I was looking to buy on that particular entry here, so let's say I wanted to buy once that up pin bar had been printed, it'd be pretty easy because I'd be able to simply go into my X builder and automate that strategy. We've actually got the pin bar code already developed for us, so it's pretty straightforward. I could say if there's been an up bar, then I want to buy, and then I can set my own stop loss and take profit target, and I've there got an automated trading system which could actually be able to trade and execute on instruction. So if we get another one of those printed, so if we get a double pin bar for example, then I could make sure this system is running on Bitcoin and it'd be able to take the trade without me having to be in front of my charts. Now I've been able to cover that, I just wanted to highlight where Bitcoin is at for today because it's at 19,300 after that reversal pin bar yesterday. Usually with reversal pin bars like this, it might be an idea that you want to be looking to buy because it suggests there's been strong buying throughout the back end of the session. We closed really strong on the day despite testing some of the lower waters here just above the 17,600 area. So that still remains key to the downside. You can see here there's a bit of resistance at 19,595, 20,000 just overhead. We can move into that 50-day moving average though if we get through these areas, but I wouldn't be anticipating that with the Fed just around the corner. 50 is the handle that we came into and found some support. This was a level we've been discussing on these briefs. This is on Litecoin now. You can see 50 immediate bounce, nice little take profit, nice profit taking, 4 shorts down here at 50, and a nice reversal as well. Ripple has been pretty quiet to be honest, 0.3740 right now. Resistance has continued at 0.3870. This has been the range high now for for best part of 3 months. Range lows down here at around 30 cents, just below 0.2988. So that remains the same. Ethereum, I wanted to highlight this one as well in particular because we've been covering this quite closely on briefs recently. And we've got a really nice reversal off 1280. And in fact, tomorrow in that snippet that I'm going to start doing at the start of these briefs, which is sharing how you can develop an automated system entry, let's cover that 1280 handle. So it's been a level we've been discussing now. So how can we be able to take a trade at that level? Because we did dip just below, as you can see. So what I've been looking for is a lower time frame entry when we dip below that level but closed back above. So I'll show you tomorrow how we can quickly build and automate that. Then it would have taken the trade even if we were not in front of our charts. As it happened, nice reversal trade off 1280. That was the range high from back in June, July, and now looking to hold on to that level. Obviously, all eyes on FOMC tomorrow. I'll do a stronger preview for the actual decision tomorrow and how it could affect markets. Let's see where we travel for the rest of today. It looks like sellers still in control. Risk is still being sold just across the board so far this morning. So don't be surprised to see another retest of 1280. That's it from my end. Until next time, all the best with your trading and bye for now.